This is for programming a 2001 Chevy Venture. Went through a lot of looking at videos and could not really find one that was just right. So I thought I'd just make this video. So what you want to do is you want to look up in your owner's manual for the BCM program fuse. Now on number 13 you can see there's a body control module fuse, and that is not it. Go to the next page where it says BCM programming, and you want to pull that fuse. It's going to be out of the passenger side. After you pull that fuse, you're going to come to your ignition. All the doors will be closed. Take your key, put your key into the in, go to the accessory, which is towards you. One, release, and then right back, and it'll make that silent beep. Once you do that, open your door, close your door, take your remote, push and hold the 2. You'll hear it beep once, release it, go to the next remote, press and hold the lock and unlock, hold it till it beeps. Take your next one, press and hold the lock and unlock till it beeps. Once you get done with that, turn the key to the off position, lock or open and close your door, and then test your keys. And that's it.